This is my laundry machine, Estate. This machine was, while rinsing, was stopped in the middle. The problem was basically this lead switch. My lead switch was problem. Can you hear? There are no clicking sound. So usually lead switch location is here inside. So if a lead switch broke down, not gonna spin, no drain, nothing. But my lead switch was half broken, so sometimes works, sometimes not. Because when this machine was shaking, I think inside was switched off automatically. So I did just a bypass temporary, and I got the new part, new switch, lead switch. So I gonna change new lead switch. I wanna share with you guys how to change lead switch laundry machine. Alright. First of all, you gotta take it out this switch panel cover. So there is a couple screws in the back. In the back, you see the screw over here. This one, other side also has, and this bolt, hex nut bolt. Alright, we gotta take off these two. So to work on the electric machine every time, for safety, switch power off the power. So all the screw was off, and then you take out cover. When you take out cover, just slice forward and lift up like this. Again, slice forward and lift up. Alright, slice forward and lift up. Screw was like this here too, Alright, so was like this. That's why slice forward and lift up at the same time. Basically, this is the lead switch. Alright, so take up the harness, grind the cable, disconnect, ground the cable. So take out switch, need to lift up the lid. Alright, lift up lid and push it and take it out. That's it. That's it. This was my broken lead switch. Let me see what was the problem and what's the difference function works. This is a brand new one. This is old one. When you order part, basically there's PN, there is product number as a part number. You can go through this one. Alright, you can look up the search internet to find the part. Alright, so let's see. This is, look at this, playing around. So to the bypass, I did something inside. I will show you later. Alright, but this new one, it has tension and clicking sound. There is tension, but this is my broken switch, playing around, no tension at all. Alright. Now put later, disassemble and look inside later, and let's install my new switch, lead switch. This is the same thing. To install, insert, you gotta lift up lead and go through like this, just clicking. Alright, clicking, that's it. Alright, and can you hear sound? Click, click, click. This is the sound that should come out when you lift up like a little bit, even though a little bit like this, small. Now put it back, all the wires. Put it back on as a switch. Let's install switch panel. Switch panel cover. Do same thing at the other side. That's it. Now switch back. That's it. So now let's look at this broken switch. What's the problem? What's inside? I'll open up for you. I will open up for you. Can you see old burns mark? Like this switch was malfunction. So I actually cleaned up this one. I was cleaned up, and this was all burn out. This switch, pushing switch, let's see. Now straighten up, but was bent. So I stretch up and I made sure pushing bar was burned out with the spring load. Got it. But still works. You can use this broken switch to bypass switch. Just what I did is push back the load, stretching up. So that's it. This is how it works, this lead switch basically. So that was the problem, all fixed. Thanks for watching.